Now this illustration deals with overcurrent protection in accordance with NEC 408.36, but we're using the exception 1. Now notice if that was a feeder, then we could have those mains in there, as you see, just hitting the terminals. But if that was service, then it would not comply having 6 mains for your 2 to 6 rule of number of mains allowed, because that's in one enclosure. You'd need a main there. And that's why that the overcurrent devices, it says, shall not apply to a second bus structure within the same panel board assembly when you're applying 408.36 exception 1 along with 230.71b as in boy 1 through 4. But now, however, if it was service, you could have 2 to 6 mains, as you see, grouped in accordance with 230.71a and 230.72a. But now if we had a main ahead of those conductors, then it would not really matter how many switches that we had underneath that gutter, as long as the appropriate design was made for a gutter, or wireway in accordance with Article 366 and 376. So this exception 1 to 408.36 in our figure 7-14 is illustrating how the overcurrent protection has to be provided based upon a feeder or service equipment.